Hi everybody, this is Martin Waring with LoanYap Mortgage. Have you ever wondered why later on in the same day after you've applied for a mortgage with your favorite broker or lender that your phone is filling up with unwanted phone calls and texts and emails offering you all kinds of mortgage products? It's kind of crazy, isn't it? Well, I'm going to share with you who's responsible for it and actually who sold that data legally, not morally, and more importantly, how you can make sure that you opt out of it forever or for at least 5 years when we come back.
I grew up in Louisiana where lagniappe was a cultural way of life, an unexpected gratuity or something extra. I have lived and raised my family in Florida for over 30 years and take that same approach to helping others with the most important loan in their lives. I'm just living the dream.
So you've done your shopping. You're finished. You've shopped all your lenders and your brokers and you've made application with one. That's great. Now you're ready and they're going to be ready to pull your credit report. This is what creates this event. It's called a trigger lead. And so what it is the standard tri-merge or mortgage credit report creates this trigger. And so guess what? Equifax, Experian, and Transunion sell it. They sell your contact data to other lenders that this is the way they do business, and they say, hey, I'll sell you all the Orlando mortgage pulls with a credit score over X. That's what they buy all month long for whatever cost. And that's how your phone lights up with a lot of unsolicited texts, emails, and phone calls from lenders and creates just as much confusion as it does create competition. And here's why it creates the confusion. You didn't give them your social security number. You didn't apply with them. So how are you getting these offers? So what happens is this creates this mistrust or this confusion. You go back to your preferred lender and you go, what happened? What happened? What happened? So now you know what happened. And now, more importantly, let me tell you how to get out of it so it never happens again. It's called optoutprescreen.com. Remember, optoutprescreen.com. You'll see it up on the screen in just a second. Simple, simple, simple. It goes to all 3 repositories. It lets them know that you are not interested in receiving these offers. You'll read a little bit down below and you can see why they have it. We are all opted in up front, but then you'll see why it happens below. And then you can opt out for 5 years electronically, or you can opt out for your lifetime in writing. You can always opt back in no matter what, but I don't know anybody that likes this, okay? We all love to shop and buy. We all hate, in my opinion, all hate being sold anything. So we like to do the asking of the questions and finding out what's the best deal for us and not the other way around. So it's optoutprescreen.com. Now let's go over and talk about the same one that we've always known about for your mobile phone, which is DONOTCALL.GOV. So double check yourself. I'll put that up on the screen as well, just to make sure you're not getting unwanted phone calls. That's what we used to do. We used to get it on the Do Not Call registry. That's DONOTCALL.GOV. So think about optoutprescreen.com is for your credit privacy, and your cell phone privacy is DONOTCALL.GOV. I hope that tip helps you sleep a little bit better. And then once you now know this, you know that when you apply for your next mortgage, car, or insurance, that is the only person that you're expecting to hear return phone calls, emails, and texts. Until then, I'll see you soon.
I hope you got a little lagniappe or something extra from this show. Helping others is my way of giving back to an industry that has blessed my family for over 30 years. There is a little Louisiana in all of us. Merci and laissez le bon temps rouler. In other words, thank you and let the good times roll.